My Live Good family. Today is our day 7 in our 100 days work challenge. Wow! And I said every day there will be tips, success tips in online business generally, but of course I would try and also bring it down for our Live Good family. So today I'm talking about knowing your business. If you're doing a business and you want to make money from that business, indeed you want to make money from that business, you need to know the business. Live Good, we have various ways you can know the business. You have all the opportunities to know your Live Good business. What are the opportunities available to you? On our team, we do Zoom every day, Monday to Friday. In fact, Monday to Saturday. Saturday just at sometime in the morning, but let's say Monday to Friday. 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. Avail yourself to this opportunity to learn, to keep learning. Also, the company themselves do training every Thursday. Of course, for those of us in Nigeria, that's around 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. But there is always a YouTube. It's always on their YouTube. Take your time to watch. We also have the rank advancement training. For me, I love the rank advancement training. It's every Friday by 5 p.m. The rank advancement training is superb. Then we also have a lot of leaders doing videos and sharing their knowledge. Guys, if you want to succeed in any business, you need to know the business. So whether the business is your Live Good business or whether the business is your Live Good business or any business you want to know, any business you want to do online, you need to know your business. If you're actually going to scale, like I do a lot of business online, and sometimes maybe the investment, somebody can say, I want you to do business with me, They may come to my office, I want you to do business with me. I'll just tell them, guys, I'll put the money, but tell me how to cash out. That's the only thing I want to know about the business, nothing more. That's because I'm not just taking that serious. So any business that you want to scale through, you need to know the business, okay? So do your best. If you as you Live Good, do your best to know it. That's if only when you understand the business. Wow! If once you start